Welcome to the Weather Centre on Saturday, where the morning starts off with some fog along the west coast. Overall, we're expecting a sunny and hot day across South Africa, with heatwave conditions spreading through to Gauteng. A few isolated thundershowers remain in the forecast over the eastern interior, with cloud building up in the west in the second part of the day ahead of a weak cold front which arrives on Sunday. Here's our rainfall probability map with a predominantly dry day across the country, but with isolated thundershowers over the eastern interior and a slight possibility of thundershowers forming over Mpumalanga. They say Weather Service have issued a high fire danger warning over a large portion of the interior, with runaway fires possible. They've also issued an advisory for heatwave conditions for the northwest, the Free State and Gauteng, as well as the eastern part of the Northern Cape, with that very hot weather persisting, especially for Gauteng all the way through to Monday. You'll see that sizzling hot Saturday over the northeastern parts, 37 for Palabor, Pretoria and Potchefstroom, 40 degrees for Vryburg, 38 for Mahikeng, with Johannesburg and Polokwane expecting a maximum of 34 degrees. Heatwave conditions continue for Bloemfontein and Welkom at 37, 29 for Grahamstown and Pietermaritzburg, still hot for Ladysmith at 36. We're expecting a warm day along the coast with a light to moderate southeasterly wind. Maximum temperatures will head into the middle and upper 20s, with a 1.5 metre southeasterly swell at 10 seconds. Sunny and hot weather continues over the southern part of South Africa, with highs heading into the low and middle 30s. More temperatures will head towards the coast with a light onshore southerly wind for Plettenberg Bay and Jeffreys Bay. We'll see southwesterly winds from Cape Agulhas through to Muizenberg, with a light breeze into False Bay, and then a southeasterly wind is forecast in Mossel Bay at 24 degrees. Sizzling hot weather continues for the Northern Cape, especially over the eastern parts, with a high of around 40 for Uppington, Prieska and Kimberley. Calvinia topping 34, and we stick in the mid-30s as we head towards De Aar and Colesberg. Warm weather continues along the west coast with a fresh southerly wind for Alexander Bay and a fresh southwester for Lambert's Bay and Longabon. More of a moderate westerly wind for Cape Town, with a 1.5 metre southwesterly swell at 11 seconds. Sizzling hot temperatures continue over the central and northeastern part of South Africa, with heatwave conditions continuing. Thundershowers remain in the forecast over the eastern interior, and a weak cold front brings in a cooler day as well as some rainfall for the Western Cape. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely weekend.